Chop 2 onions. Chop 2 tomatoes. Finely chopped garlic. Finely chopped ginger. Slice 2 to 3 button mushrooms. Finely chopped green chilies according to your spice level. Make cubes of 70 grams of paneer. Slice bell peppers. Take 100 grams of either Greek yogurt or curd in a bowl. Add salt, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, black pepper powder and some olive oil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Add paneer cubes to the marination and set aside for at least 10 minutes. In a pan, take some olive oil and add marinated paneer cubes. Set the marination aside for later use. Fry till golden brown crust forms on the cubes. Set the cubes aside to be used later. Now in the same pan add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Add onion and sauté till golden brown. Add tomatoes and a pinch of salt and cook till they break down. Add turmeric powder, haldi, coriander powder, paisai dhania, and red chili powder and some water to cook it off. Add the marination to this and let it cook off. Add your vegetables and give it a good stir. Add your paneer cubes and some water and cook while covered. The dish is ready and can be now served and consumed hot. Please like, share, and subscribe, it would be a great help.